Have you ever wondered how researchers study society scientifically? The answer is statistics.
Statistics is the science of collecting, organizing, analyzing, and interpreting data.
In social research, statistics helps us understand education, poverty, crime, health, and human behavior.
It reduces guesswork, tests hypotheses, compares groups, and supports government policies.
There are two main types: descriptive and inferential statistics.
Descriptive statistics summarizes data using mean, median, percentages, and charts.
Inferential statistics uses samples to predict and test hypotheses about a population.
For example, studying 300 students to see if parental education affects performance using correlation analysis.
Important terms include population, sample, hypothesis, and correlation.
Statistics in social research is the scientific method of analyzing numerical data to understand and solve social problems.
Can numbers really explain human behavior, poverty, crime, and education? Yes, through statistics. Without statistics, social research would be based on opinions, not evidence.
It is the scientific method of collecting, analyzing, and interpreting numerical data to understand social problems.
Statistics helps us study education levels, poverty rates, crime patterns, health conditions, and social behavior. It reduces bias, increases accuracy, compares groups, and helps governments make policies.
Follow for more simple research concepts explained in 1 minute.